Is your mini bag more stressed than seamless? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to carry and what to leave behind. Hi guys, I'm Amy and today I'm going to show you how to edit your purse like a pro. We're going to figure out what you actually need, what you can finally leave at home, and how to organize it all so you have every essential without the bulk. By the end of this, you'll have a foolproof plan to make your mini bag work for you, turning it from a source of stress into your secret weapon for a seamless day. Let's get into it. Before we start packing, let's talk mindset. A mini bag isn't just about carrying less, it's about carrying the right stuff. Think of it as intentional minimalism, where every single item has to earn its spot. It's about shifting your thinking from, what if I need this someday, to, do I actually use this regularly? The bag I'm using today is the perfect example of what to look for. It's a simple Longchamp crossbody bag, but the key is that it has some built-in pockets and the option to add an organizer for more storage. It's not just one big pit. It's got a main section, a little pocket inside, and another easy access pocket on the back. Choosing a bag that already has some organization is the first step to success because it gives you a framework. You don't need this exact bag, but do yourself a favor and find one with at least a couple of separate compartments or the option to add some in. Trust me, it makes a world of difference. So the number one mistake I see people make with a mini bag is just tossing everything in loose. That's a one-way ticket to a jumbled mess. The solution? Compartmentalize. Seriously, small pouches are about to become your best friend. First things first, let's tackle your financial hub. It's time to say goodbye to that bulky old school wallet. It's the fastest way to eat up all your precious space. Instead, make the switch to a slim card holder. This one holds my driver's license, my main credit card, my debit card, and a little bit of folded cash for those rare just-in-case moments. That's it. Let's be honest, most loyalty cards are on the app or tied to your phone, so there's no reason to carry the physical stack. This one change is a game changer. Your card holder should be lean, mean, holding only what you need in a typical day. I keep my card holder in the easy access pocket inside my bag. I'm reaching for it all the time, so it needs to be somewhere I can get to it easily while still being secure inside my bag. That's a key principle here. Organize your bag based on how often you use things. Next up is what I like to call the feel-good kit. These are the little things that help you feel fresh and put together when you're out and about. Instead of letting them roll around at the bottom of your bag, I keep them all contained in a tiny cosmetic pouch. This keeps them clean, organized, and so easy to find. So what's in the kit? I keep this section very curated. First, lip balm. This is a non-negotiable for me, and I choose one with SPF for a little sun protection. Right next to it is a tinted lip balm, which is basically my on-the-go lipstick for quick touch-ups. Then I have a mini hand cream. My hands get so dry, but the trick is finding one that isn't greasy. There's nothing worse than putting on hand cream and immediately smudging up your phone screen. This one sinks in super fast and smells beautiful. And finally, a few hair ties, bobby pins, and some mints. These are lifesavers for a sudden gust of wind or those moments you just need to get your hair out of your face. That's everything in my little pouch. It's not a full makeup bag, it's a survival kit for daily life. I also carry a small vial of hand sanitizer, an absolute must for public transit or just general peace of mind. A comb, and I keep these in the pockets of the bag. What's the one beauty item you can't leave the house without? Let me know in the comments. I'm always so curious to see what everyone else prioritizes. Now let's talk about the true non-negotiable essentials. First, my smartphone. It's our connection to everything, right? It goes right in the main compartment where it's safe and protected. And because our phones are so vital, this next item is just as important. A portable phone charger. I'm not talking about one of those giant heavy power bricks. This one is a super compact, lipstick-sized charger that gives me just enough of a boost to get through an emergency. It has saved me more times than I can count, and the sparkle is just everything. Next, my keys. To stop them from scratching my phone or getting lost in the void, I have them in a small pouch or a clip to keep them contained. This simple trick is what ends that frantic digging for your keys at the front door dance. Finally, sunglasses. I live in a sunny place, so for me, these are an absolute must. The secret here is to ditch the bulky hard case. A hard case can take up nearly half of a mini bag. I use a soft leather pouch instead. It protects my lenses from getting scratched without adding any of the bulk. The last category is for those small but mighty just-in-case items. You won't use them every day, but when you need them, you'll be so glad you have them. I use another tiny pouch for these. Some people call this their emergency kit. Inside this little lifesaver pouch, I have a few essentials. First, a couple of feminine hygiene products. It's always better to have them and not need them, whether for yourself or to help someone else out. I also keep a few band-aids in and a small packet of pain reliever. A surprise headache or a blister from new shoes can totally ruin a day, and this fix takes up almost no space. Also in the bag, I keep a travel-sized perfume bottle. Because space is precious, a travel-sized perfume just makes sense. A mini atomizer gives me that freshen up moment during the day without the bulk and weight of a full-size bottle. In a mini bag, it's all about smart swaps, and this one is a no-brainer. Another small but powerful item I always make room for is my earbuds. They barely take up any space, but they completely transform my day. Whether I'm listening to music, tuning into a podcast, or just blocking out the world for a few minutes. They help me to create my own little bubble wherever I am. Knowing what to carry is only half the battle. Knowing what not to carry is where the real editing happens. First, you have to get rid of the paper clutter. Old receipts, expired coupons, appointment cards from 3 weeks ago, they all have to go. My trick is to have a small tray or box at home where I empty this stuff out of my bag every single day. It takes 10 seconds and stops the build-up before it starts. Second, avoid the full-size products. There's just no reason to carry a full bottle of perfume or a giant tube of hand cream. Decant your favorites into travel-sized containers. In the world of mini bags, small is mighty. Third, do a card audit. Do you really need that gift card from last Christmas and 6 different coffee shop loyalty cards with you at all times? If you're worried you'll forget about them, take a picture and leave the physical cards at home. And finally, be ruthless with those just-in-case items that never get used. If you've been carrying something around for 6 months and haven't touched it once, it's time to let it go. Trust that you can survive with less. If you have a day where you know you need more, like for work or the gym, embrace the 2-bag philosophy. Have your small essential purse and then a separate tote or backpack for temporary items like your laptop or a change of clothes. This keeps your daily bag light and perfectly functional. This foldable tote bag charm is honestly such a smart addition. It looks cute clipped onto the bag, but it doubles as an emergency extra bag whenever you need more space. If you do a spontaneous shop, pick up groceries, or need to carry a cardigan, you're covered instantly. It's lightweight, takes up barely any room, and keeps your mini bag clutter-free while still giving you flexibility. I love that it's both aesthetic and practical, a true multifunctional piece that adds style and solves a problem in seconds. And now for the magic moment. Let's pack it all up and see how our new system looks in action. The card holder and comb slides into the back pocket. My phone goes into the main compartment in front of the organizer. The 2 small pouches, my feel-good kit and my just-in-case crew, fit neatly right next to each other. The portable charger tucks in perfectly down the side. My hand sanitizer fits next to the phone charger. The sunglasses in their soft case lay right behind the organizer. My keys are secure and easy to grab in their key holder. My travel-sized perfume slots down the side and my earbuds fit right on the top. Everything has a home. There's no clutter, no chaos. I can reach in and grab exactly what I need without even looking. This isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. It's freedom from disorganization, freedom from the mental weight of that clutter, and the freedom of feeling prepared and totally in control. I really hope this system helps you reclaim your mini bag and streamline your day-to-day life. It's such a small change, but it makes a huge difference. If you did find this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing and hit that like button if you did find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.